Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the FABFITFUN box for spring 2021. And yeah, look how cute this is, first of all. Oh. I love all the flowers, very spring. I know, groundbreaking, but I still love it. It also feels like very 70s to me. I don't know if that's just me, but I'm into it. Okay, so before I get started with the video, this video is not sponsored, although they did send this to me. I actually did a TikTok collab with them. I just thought that this would be a cool video, and I've never tried FABFITFUN before, and I've always been curious about it. If you haven't heard of FABFITFUN before, it is a seasonal subscription box. So it's every 3 months. I believe it's just spring, summer, and winter. Duh. You get 8 full-size items, and it ranges from beauty, fitness, lifestyle, fashion, home stuff, and the whole box totals up to $200, so it really is such a big discount if you're only paying about 50 bucks. You also get to customize 3 of your items, and then the rest are picked by like a stylist who selects what you're gonna get in your box that month. You can do, there's another rate, I'm reading it on here, it's like an annual rate, and it's $179.99, so $180, and you prepay for all the boxes, which saves you $20, and it obviously has the same 8 products, but you get 5 customizations instead of the 3. And you also get early access to add-ons and edit sales, earlier shipping, and you can cancel anytime, which you can cancel anytime on the other one as well. But the cool thing about this subscription box is that they do have flash sales where you can shop up to 70% off of like top brands. So I think that's a really good deal. And anyway, let me just show you what's in here, because I keep blabbering on. And like I said, I did do a sponsorship with them for over on TikTok. So some of these things I already have opened. For starters, in here you have a little pack of stickers, which is really cute. And then you also get, what is this, for HelloFresh, 13 free meals, including free shipping on your first box. That's pretty cool. And a little message about the spring box in here. Oh shit, I didn't realize until right now that this also came with an exercise ball in this thing that I'm about to show you guys. But this is the Gaiam Studio Select. So it's a mini ab ball, and it has a core reformer, I believe is what it's called. Let me just take it out of here. I don't know why I'm trying to show you guys through the wrapper. But it has this little band that goes underneath your feet, and you can work out your arms. I believe you can also do like squats and things like that, and it builds resistance. And then also, obviously, you have the little mini ab ball. This is what I'm talking about. I love that they include things like this too, not only just beauty, because I wouldn't even think to buy this on my own or even think about it on my own, I feel like. But then when I saw it, I actually selected this one as part of like my custom choice. But yeah, I can't wait to use this. And next up, we have these Suns Out, Pouts Out. So these are gold foil lip masks. And there were 4 of them. I used this for the video, but they actually work really well, and my lips were so smooth after. My lips get so freaking dry in the winter, like nothing saves them, like no amount of lip balm, anything. So that was really a lifesaver. This Iconic Glow by Pure is another product that I selected to customize. Look at this. Ugh. But yeah, so it's just this gold glitter. It's like a dry oil. I love oils like this, especially for the summertime. If you're wearing a bikini, I would freaking slather myself in this, especially around your boobs to make your boobs look great. They at least like add a size to it, and they look like juicy, you know? Sol also has a lot of these. I think Pure might be a little bit on the more expensive side. Is it? I don't know. I can't remember. But if you guys are also looking for another, like if you're looking for an affordable dry oil that's very, very similar, pretty much exactly the same, Sol. I believe that this brand is by ColourPop, but this is literally the exact same thing, and these things are pretty cheap and they work really, really well. But I actually like their other formula better. So this isn't a dry oil, this is called their Glow Oil. I'm going like so off topic right now, and this is leaking. But this is my favorite because it's not as oily, and it actually has way more pigment to it, so. Anyway, next up, I keep calling this brand Draco Malfoy. Draco Malfoy. Because it's Joy Dracovicky or something? Dravicky? Doesn't sound anything like Draco Malfoy. But anyway, this is just a little fun fashion ring by this brand. Adorable. I love the green. Green's my favorite color, and I just think it adds a little bit of like pizzazz? Pizzazz, it sounds like I'm like 100. But it adds a little bit of something extra with the little diamonds, the cubic zirconian diamonds around here. Just a fun cocktail ring. Okay, so these are gonna look really gross when I show you. You're gonna be like, what the hell? But I used these for a video and I had to keep doing a bunch of takes, and I didn't want to have to wet it or anything because I needed like a certain texture to them. So these have soap all over them, but I'll show you guys. These are the, I believe is it Sai? I don't know, but their website is saihello.com. Right there. These are washable rounds for your face, so you can put your cleanser on here or an exfoliator, and this apparently just like gently exfoliates because of the hair in it, but it is so much better for the environment to have things that you can just keep reusing over and over again instead of just throwing them out like you do cotton rounds or wipes or anything like that. So any of your skincare needs, you can pretty much just use these, and it comes in a pack of 3. Next up, this is the face wash that's all over those. This is is it Ahava? Time to Clear Refreshing Cleansing Gel. This gentle soapless gel works as a deep daily cleanser, ideal for removing makeup and impurities, leaves your face feeling fresh, clear, and supple. But they said that this is allergy tested and it's great for sensitive skin. I did use this yesterday when I was making the video for them, and I really liked it. This next one is a bougie brand that I've been dying to try. So this is the Perricone MD Essential FX Acrylate Glutathione Rejuvenating Moisturizer. I already started using this guy and I love it. But this is such a great moisturizer, guys. I was using the Dermapen. If you guys have been following me for a little bit, you know that I love derma rollers and Dermapens, all that stuff. So I used hyaluronic acid and then used this at night before I went to bed. And my skin is so supple. Normally the day after you do like a derma roller or things like that, your skin just looks so rough because it's still kind of like peeling a little bit and just looks really rough for about 3 days. But my skin looks great right now. I was actually really scared to put makeup on today because I thought I was gonna look like really like dingy, but I think my face has like a nice glow to it. Granted, it's only been 1 day, but I really did notice a huge difference. And this thing, I feel like this is really, really pricey on its own. Let me look it up. I remember looking into Perricone MD before and I was like, shit. But if I can get it part of my box, then I'm picking it. Holy shit. So this wasn't the product, but I just passed another face moisturizer that was 150 in here. Jesus Christ. Let me see. Yeah, so this is $98. Holy shit. But that really just shows what a great deal FabFitFun is then. If this product was pretty much like double the cost that you would be paying for a subscription. I really feel like I'm like overly selling them, but I mean, I have nothing to gain from making this video. I just really do think it's a good box. And last but not least, guys, look at these little earrings, or not earrings, clips. So there are 2 of them. Definitely 70s vibes going on. I love these. These are so cute, and they're very much in style right now, obviously, because first of all, I feel like 70s is always in style, especially with like Free People and all of that. They really have made that like a household fashion still, but especially with everything going super retro, these are very much in style. Look at these, so cute. You know what these clips would look amazing with? Have you guys seen that? I'm sure you have that. It's like a 70s inspired, maybe it's not even 70s, it might be, is it 40s or 50s? I don't even know. But it's the half updo. Here, let me see, I have a photo here. So it's a 60s hairstyle. So picture this, and then you know how right now it's the trend to have your bangs down and then over to the side, because that was very much also within that time period, and then you can just clip it off to the side. Okay, so this person has it, Beats by Lizzie on Instagram. But imagine these bangs just clipped up on the side. Ugh, with this clip, so cute. But anyway guys, that was my FABFITFUN Spring 2021 unboxing. So let me know what you guys think of the box. Is it something that you would think of subscribing to? I think it's a really good deal. I actually might sign up myself. I've already been using so many of the products, I really had to like go throughout the house and gather them because like I said, I've already been digging into this. I've been digging into the dry oil, the facial cleanser, and these little round guys. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps me out. Or throw me a dislike. That also helps me out. I love you guys so much. Let me know what other video reviews you guys would like to see, because like I said, I had heard of, obviously I've heard of FABFITFUN before I made this video, but I never really like looked any further. I just figured that it was another one of those monthly beauty box subscriptions, and I just feel like it's easy to think that they're all the same, but I like how, like I said throughout this whole entire video, that this is such a good range of products. It's a mix of not only beauty, but it's fitness, lifestyle, home, all of that. I know that you guys love watching beauty box reviews, so hopefully you like this one as well. I love you guys so much, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. I don't know why I can never come up with like an ending. I'm always like lost. Anyway, do you like that I'm wearing a real shirt this time? I feel like I've been wearing a sweatshirt in just about every single video. I mean, this is a cardigan, so, I mean, cardigans are in right now though.